Hello and welcome. Today I've got this is a Crucial 2TB or 2000GB P5 Plus PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 solid state drive. So this is 2TB of storage. It's obviously SSD. I'll be adding this to my desktop computer to expand the storage. At the moment I've got a 120 out of that 256GB SSD. That's also an M.2 drive like this one. I'll be using that one as my boot drive still. I'll also be adding this into one of the remaining M.2 slots to expand it. Should be relatively fast, obviously, in read, because it is a SSD. Also, the nice thing about these is they're quite small, so I don't have to worry about them taking up all your space. And isn't going to use one of my SATA ports. It's not a SATA drive. Let's open this up. Got a little sticker at the top. Here it is inside. Put a little screw. Anything else in here? No. So we've got the drive and our manual. A few different languages. Basically, all saying just go to their website, crucial.com or crucial.cn, and different web address. Or crucial.com/support for the Chinese one, which is crucial.cn/support. I'll fold that up. Let's take a look at this drive. So here the drive is, and just a standard Phillips head screw. You can screw into there to hold it down. So it's a small drive, obviously M.2. This is one of the most standard sizes. These are 80mm long, 22mm wide. Could have just read it on there. I remember seeing 2280, and it wasn't on the package when I looked at it. But yeah, 22mm wide, 80mm long. So I should have just checked the actual drive. So I'll be popping this to my desktop and setting this up. Here's the back of it. It's a relatively simple design. It says Crucial P5 Plus. There's a bit of information in the back, so I'll be putting this in my desktop now, and everything should work fine.